how do you manage vining plants? So here you see a tomato plant that's starting to vine. We provide trellis cables, as you see right here, to use for your vining plant. All you do is simply kind of rotate the long stem around the trellis so that it creates supportive twine. And the reason we do that is for heavier weighted fruit like tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers. The trellis cables are provided to add that support that's needed. How do you prevent your vining plants from becoming Jack and the Beanstalk where it just grows forever and ever? I typically like to keep my vining plants within 24 to 36 inches. And what you typically will do is where you see the fruit vining off of the main stem, just simply cut above the fruit. All the energy now gets put back into the root structure to produce larger fruit. And it also speeds the growth of those fruit. You may sometimes see additional stems that may create other vines in the bin, but you do the same thing. When you start seeing the yellow flower, cut above the yellow flower, and right there you're gonna cut the remaining of the plant off.
Produce University is our home for answering all your questions about products and hydroponics. Follow us on Instagram and send us your questions for us to cover in a future blog or video.